There isn't a whole lot to say about the First Alert Atom smoke and fire detector and its new micro design. However, I will highlight some of the features that attracted me to this device. First of all, I have always found the old smoke detectors to be unsightly and oversized. This particular model is smoke and fire, where typically it's only smoke. I've had these for quite a while now. I originally purchased 6 of these, and the one pictured here I'm actually going to give to someone because I don't need the extra one. They are pretty much unobtrusive. You hardly see them. I chose the white, so on a white wall they're less noticeable. The front lens flashes red once per minute, informing you that it is still active and functioning properly. The battery is supposedly to last 10 years. That being said, one of the 6, the battery had to be replaced within a year. As far as the others, they are still functioning properly and no battery replacement was required. What's included in the packaging is one micro design First Alert Atom smoke and fire alarm. It comes with one wall mounting bracket, and of course it comes with 2 screws for mounting. For a close-up, offhand, the only thing would make this Atom any better would be if it contained a CO2 detector as well, rather than having to purchase one separately. These aren't inexpensive, but what price can you place on your safety in your life or your family's life? They run roughly $20 each. I have seen them go for up to $40 each. At the time of purchase, I got 6 for around, I think, $60. Of course, that was when they first came out, or pretty much when they first came out. One, I don't even have attached. I have it sitting on a shelf somewhere in one of the rooms up high. It's up out of the way. No one ever noticed. What is your life or your family's life worth to you? $20 now is just an ounce prevention. Don't hesitate. Don't procrastinate. Buy one today. It could save your family's life.